The Haverthwaite and Lakeside is the other railway in the Lake District. Its headquarters are at the Haverthwaite end of the line, with a large yard and sheds where their restoration work takes place and which you can visit. The original station is also used. They have a good stock of both steam and diesels, and most of the work is done by tank engines, Cumbria being one of them, which is a Hunslet Austerity purchased from the army. The line has 2 short tunnels and a halt at Newby Bridge. The trains connect with boats at Lakeside Station on Lake Windermere. Your ticket enables you to combine a sail to Ambleside to enjoy the beautiful scenery.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Windermere Iron Steamboat Company and the captain and crew, welcome you aboard the MV Swan.